The SBP is a consulting service done by our final year students and requested by an external client. Here at EHL, we have a team in charge of everything related to the SBP. We are the point of contact when it comes to discussing the project with the client and coordinating everything with the faculty and the students. We have 2 sessions per year, always in spring and in fall, always 9 weeks.
We have been working with EHL for very many years now. When we heard about the program, we thought it was a great idea to give it a try.
Last year, I had an opportunity to have my first SBP program joining us, and I think it was a real success for us.
On avait besoin d'avoir un œil externe et la possibilité de travailler avec des étudiants était une expérience que nous avons voulu tenter et que nous avons beaucoup appréciée.
We were very curious about having innovative ideas and a fresh perspective on the table for the current challenges we were facing.
Dès la première rencontre, on a senti l'investissement qu'ils avaient envie de mettre dans ce projet-là.
First, I was blown away. These group of 6 students, I mean, the way they were so professional, I felt like I was talking to industry leaders.
From the very beginning, their ability to understand an industry that was new to them was amazing.
We were impressed with my colleague that we were working on with the project. Sometimes we would look at each other and say, wow, how did they come up with that? Or what is this tool that they're using? Or what is this technology that they're using that is so impressive because we do not use this?
What astonished me, how well prepared they were, how much they also were dedicated to make a difference. They wanted to leave their mark in our hospital. And that was something that I really appreciate.
It was very easy for us to get in touch with EHL and afterwards to get in touch with the students. Then coming on board, it was a very rapid process, I would say.
Et on a senti que derrière, il y avait aussi une collaboration qui était avec les encadrants.
More than 50% of their professors have their PhDs. So for me, it's not just the act of hospitality, it's like the true science of it all.
A project that would have taken us maybe a year to complete, it was only 7 weeks.
I needed solutions that I could do quick, and that's what they gave me. They were useful recommendations.
They didn't look like students anymore. They were really young consultants.
I would definitely recommend it because they will listen to you and they will deliver what you're really looking for.
We have also hired a lot of EHL interns that are interested in the financial business. So I can only foresee a very positive collaboration with EHL in the future.
They left, we had clear implementation guides with very clear instructions on how to execute and implement. That's also one of the main benefits.
Not only did I get them to their finish line of their education, but also they left something beautiful at Elmhurst, something that we could implement.
Pour résumer l'expérience avec les étudiants, il y a un seul mot, c'est extraordinaire.